menopause aches, pains, and ailments, they just cause you misery and diminish the quality of your life. They're not going to kill you. They can make your life such a misery. You dread going to bed, you dread getting up. And here is the thing, it's not a healthcare issue. It's a self-care issue. And that's why I am encouraging women to step up and learn how to take charge of ourselves. There is no medical reason why we should suffer in this season. So I encourage you to come into our workshop. We help you learn to navigate this season beautifully, just like 10% of women over 45 are doing, which 90% of women don't know. And that's why they continue to struggle in this menace that is menopause. We're waiting for you. Join our community and learn. It's so much fun to learn how to live fully in this season.